Hello tutor, hello classmate. This is my presentation about me by Jose Edwin Cruz Rojas, English B1. This is my family, my beautiful wife and my daughter. She is 11 years old. This is my presentation magazine about me. My hair has always been an essential part of who I am, playing a key role in shaping my journey. Growing up, it gave me a natural advantage in sports, allowing me to excel in activities that required physical presence and coordination through sports, and developed discipline, teamwork, and a sense of perseverance that extended beyond the field. At the same time, I never lost my focus, drive away from my studies. Balancing academics with sports taught me the importance of timing management and setting priorities. This combination of physical and intellectual growth has been instrumental in shaping my character, helping me to build a well-rounded life. Thank you, tutor. Thank you, classmate.